I just came to pick up my stuff from DHL from YouTube. It's actually from Brand Addition. No, it's from YouTube, really. It's from YouTube. So thank you so very much, YouTube. I'm gonna show you when I get home. I don't think I'm unboxing today though, but I'll try. I've got a lot of things to do today, but if I have spare time too, I will vlog it and show you everything that I got. Merry Christmas!
Hey! So YouTube sent us a package and we're going to unbox to find out what is inside. Okay, so let's go! Ooh, it's a large box, you know, a large one, like. So let's see. So yeah, let's do this together. Look at that. Oh yeah, YouTube, of course, you already know. Look at what is inside. Stop focusing, stop. They follow my face. So look at what we have here. Oh my god, it's happy holidays. Oh. So this is what we have inside. I think this is a sweatshirt, but first of all, of course, you know, my boss sent me a package. Yeah, so the note is from YouTube, of course, you already know, from my boss. Okay, my boss that I love so much, and it says happy holidays. No, let me read it the way it came. Okay, happy holidays. Dear creator, a little gift from the YouTube team to you to reward you for all of your amazing creativity. See, there is something beautiful about being rewarded, okay? And YouTube knows how to reward us, okay? So yes, let me show you. I love I think this is snow, I think. Okay, so that's it. Now let's go in, let's check. Whoa, I think this is a Christmas sweatshirt. But let me drop this here first. Oh, I don't know what this is, but let me see. My apologies. What could this be? You see, there's a YouTube logo and there is Google official merch shop. Okay, look at that, Google official merch shop. What's this? Okay, I think this is a protective something. So let me keep the carton. You already see it's from YouTube. Okay. I'm so proud of YouTube, so I always want to show them off. So let's know what's this inside here before we go to that. Let's know what is inside here. This has to be the most chaotic unboxing ever that I've done. Okay, this is not my first time receiving a gift from YouTube, of course, but every single time feels like a first time. Okay, because who doesn't love gifts, no matter how small, no matter how big it is? So that's it inside. This is the pack again. Whoa, what did he wrap? That's a huge rubber band. I need to be careful. For them to pack it this way, that means it's actually very, very fragile. See the rubber ring they use in packing it? Okay, so let's go. 1, 2, go. Whoa. Whoa. It's heavy. Can you guess? Take a guess. What do you think this is? Okay. This is so nice. What's this called? This is a globe, right? And this is a snow globe. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Oh my god, do you see the logo? Oh my god, I love YouTube so much. Let me shake. This is a globe, a snow globe. It's so cute, yo. Wow. I don't know if there's any way I can turn it on. I don't think there's a light inside, but this is the number one that I'm unboxing in the gift package. A snow globe. Can you see that snow? Cute. Okay, so that's it for the other one. Okay, so this is the next one in the package. Okay, and Me looking at it is a sweatshirt. This is actually very considerate of YouTube for them to send this particular kind of package this period. Okay, it's winter, of course, Harmattan season here in Nigeria, Christmas period, and they sent a very beautiful color, red and white, for the season. Okay, and yes, it's actually getting cold slowly here in Nigeria also, so I think it's a good one. So let's just go already. And oh my world, oh la la, let me show you something. Can you see that? Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Look at that logo. There's something about this logo that gives me so much joy. YouTube, okay, and the quality is so nice, perfect for the weather. Oh my god, I chose a big size and I'm actually glad I did. This will cover me for cold, like, you know. So that's everything that I got. Okay, so this is me on my sweat shirt. Okay, thank goodness I actually chose an extra large because I love my sweatshirts big enough to cover me from cold. Okay, it is so good, it's so beautiful, it's so comfortable. I'm already doing my Christmas. Okay. Okay, so that's everything that I got, and it's so beautiful. I love it, especially the sweatshirt. Okay, I love the snow globe also. So what will I even say? Okay, so now for everyone that will be wondering, how did you get this gift, especially my fellow creators, it was actually a challenge that we did with our YouTube manager, okay, Motso. And this is the gift that came from the challenge, like as a reward for participating in the challenge. Okay, so if you haven't joined the community yet, do not worry. Most will reach out to you when you're eligible for the community. All right, and nonetheless, if by any chance they tell us about the community being open for new members to join in, I'll definitely talk about it on my YouTube space, so that those of you that are actually interested can reach out to me to join. Okay, so that's everything that we got from YouTube. Okay, and your girl is loving it. So that's all. I promise not to make the video too long, so yeah, that's everything we got. Say congratulations to me in the comment section. Every creator out there believing to get something from YouTube one day, do not worry, darling, you'll get yours someday. Just keep going. Okay, I want to say a very big thank you to my YouTube manager, Motso. Thank you for being so adorable. Thank you for everything that you do for the community. Okay, and to my big boss, YouTube, I say a very big thank you for appreciating us, for gifting us, for loving us, and sharing this beautiful moment with us. I am grateful. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you, my community. Thank you, my subscribers. Shout out to every one of you. You all are the best. Thank you so very much, everyone, for watching. Until next time, my lollipops, stay safe and play big always. Merry Christmas.